Sarah.
Sahih Muslim.
Sarah, I am bored now. Let's draw and paint something exciting. Inshallah Muskan. Let's draw and paint. Look, Sarah. I finished my painting. Wow, Muskan. It's so beautiful.
Assalamu alaikum Muskan and Sarah.
Walaikum assalam, Mommy.
What are you little Picassos up to? Is it safe for Mummy to take a look?
Mommy, look at Muskan's painting. It's so pretty.
MashaAllah. That's an amazing painting, Muskan. Sarah, remember what the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said? If anyone sees something amazing, he should say MashaAllah.
MashaAllah.
MashaAllah. It means God has willed it. It's a way to say wow and show thanks to Allah.
Mummy, look at the flowers. They're so colorful. MashaAllah. And look at that butterfly. It's so pretty. MashaAllah.
If we keep saying MashaAllah, the garden might grow even more flowers.
Yes, and we might have a jungle. Remember the Hadith of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. If anyone sees something amazing, he should say MashaAllah. It's good to appreciate beautiful things.
Mommy and Daddy. Look at Whiskers. He's playing with a ball. MashaAllah. I'm Whiskers, the playful cat. MashaAllah.
MashaAllah Whiskers. Are you planning to be a football star next?
Saying MashaAllah helps us enjoy all the little things. Like our funny cat.
MashaAllah. Wow. Look at the balloons and cake. MashaAllah. This is the best picnic ever. MashaAllah.
I thought we could have a fun day together in the park.
MashaAllah, what a beautiful day! Remember, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught us to say MashaAllah when we see something amazing. It's nice to enjoy our blessings.
So, we say MashaAllah when we see something amazing. To show we're thankful?
Yes, Muskan. It's a way to thank Allah for all the good things we see and feel.
It's like a magic word that makes everything more special.
Exactly, my darling. A magic word that helps us appreciate all the wonderful things in life.
MashaAllah. Please subscribe to Quran and Hadith for Kids. For more videos, hit the bell icon now.